Today we're going to take a look at how do I zoom in and out, especially in a browser, much easier than trying to find the zoom menu inside of these programs, which at times is not easily available. So a couple of shortcuts to do that are holding down Control and hitting the plus button, which also has the equal sign on it, and that will zoom in. Holding down Control, hitting the minus sign, which is also the underscore button, that zooms out. And if you are unsure of your zoom level, but you want to get back to 100%, holding down Control and hitting 0 gives you that option. So I'm just going to show you that here. I'm inside of Google Chrome. If I hold down Control and hit plus, you'll see that I'm zooming in. And you also see here in the browser itself, you actually have the little plus button, so I can see what level I'm at. If I wanted to zoom out, if I do a Control minus, you can see that I'm zooming out all the way up to 25%. And if I'm unsure of my zoom level and I want to get back to 100%, holding Control 0 gets you that. And that works not only inside of Google Chrome, but also Firefox, Internet Explorer, a lot of other web applications that you're going to be using, and some other software applications as well, especially the ones that don't have a view menu available to you. I can also get to my zoom menus inside of these browsers. A lot of times by going inside of the menu here. Inside of Chrome, you'll have these three dots, or at times, if you're using an older version of Chrome, you'll have three lines here. And then I can see my zoom level is right here. So if I wanted to zoom in, if I wanted to zoom out, I could also get it back to full screen. Yeah, I'm also able to get it back to 100% here. So if I'm inside of a different browser, let's say I'm going to go and head over to Internet Explorer, I can still do the same Control plus, Control minus, Control 0. Inside of Internet Explorer, I have a little gear here and where I can get to my zoom levels here. I can also see my shortcuts right here in the menu. And if I wanted to head over to Firefox, again, it's going to look a little bit more like Chrome. Again, my zoom in, my zoom out works the same way with my plus, my minus, my 0. And then inside of Firefox, I also have the ability to zoom in and to zoom out here as well. So hopefully that little tip allows you to customize your browser so that your text can show up a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, you can see more, you can see less. Also, if you get stuck zoomed in too far or zoomed out too far and you're not quite sure how to do that, how you actually did that, to be able to hit the Control 0 to get you back to 100%.